Heat pump. A heat pump is a device that transfer thermal energy between space, usually between an enclosed space and the outdoor. When used in that building, the energy is transferred for the outside into the building. A heat pump can also work as an air conditioner by transferring heat for the building to the outside. Because of their high efficiency and the sharing of fossil free electricity, heat pump can play a key role in energy transition and climate change management. When 1 kW of electricity, they can transfer 3.6 km of thermal energy into building. The process is based in the refrigeration cycle and heating mode. A refrigerant at outside temperature is being compressed as a result. A refrigerant become hot. The thermal energy and the transferred to a central heating system. After burning outdoor, again the refrigerant is domestic decompressed. It is lost some of its thermal energy and energy collected in the environment. It can now take up the surrounding energy for the air or for our ground before the process repeat. Compressor propeller the pump run with electric energy. Common type of area in the heat pump, ground of screw pump.